The Kourou yacht is a luxury sailing yacht owned by Amazon founder Jeff Bezos. Built by the renowned Dutch shipyard Oceanco, the yacht, launched in 2023, is one of the largest sailing yachts in the world, measuring about 417 feet 127 meters in length. Named Kourou meaning new beginnings in Maori, the vessel reflects Bezos' passion for exploration and elegance. This sleek, multi-deck yacht features a classic yet modern design, incorporating advanced technology and luxurious amenities. It has 3 towering masts and an impressive sail rig, enabling it to cruise under sail power for eco-friendly travel. Kourou is also accompanied by a support yacht, featuring a helipad and additional water sports equipment, enhancing its functionality and versatility for global travel. The Azzam yacht is one of the largest and most luxurious private yachts in the world, measuring approximately 180 meters 590 feet in length. Launched in 2013 by the German shipyard Lürssen, Azzam was built under the guidance of engineer Mubarak Saad Al-Afbabi, with exterior design by Nata Yachts and interior design by Christophe Leoni. The Scheherazade is a luxurious superyacht that launched in 2020, built by the renowned shipyard Lürssen in Germany. It measures approximately 140 meters or 459 feet in length and is valued at an estimated $700 million. The Streets of Monaco yacht is an ambitious superyacht concept inspired by the city-state of Monaco. Designed by Yacht Island Design, it features detailed replicas of Monaco landmarks, including the Monte Carlo Casino, Hotel de Paris, and even a go-kart track resembling the Monaco Grand Prix circuit. Envisioned as a floating city, this luxurious vessel would also include swimming pools, tennis courts, a submarine, and lavish suites. The yacht is designed to be around 155 meters long with opulent interiors, creating a unique blend of a private yacht and a miniature version of Monaco. However, as of now, it's still a concept and hasn't been constructed. The Eclipse yacht is a luxurious superyacht built by Blom Voss in Germany for Russian billionaire Roman Abramovich. At 533 feet, or 162.5 meters long, it was once the world's largest private yacht until it was surpassed in 2013. Designed by Terence Disdale, Eclipse features opulent amenities like 2 helipads, several pools, a disco hall, and an onboard mini-submarine. The History Supreme is widely regarded as one of the most expensive yachts in the world, with an estimated value of around $4.8 billion. Designed by UK-based luxury designer Stuart Hughes, this yacht stands out due to its extravagant use of precious metals and gemstones. Constructed over a 3-year period, it features about 100,000 kg or 220,000 lbs of solid gold and platinum, adorning areas like the hull, deck, and dining area.